Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the mom's pride carrier for integrity and weight ratings so you avoid unsafe use. Then adjust the waist to sit at your belly button. Make sure it's snug because the waistband supports most of the load. Once done, open both shoulder straps and spread the seat panel so baby's legs will have a proper imposition. You'll want everything preset before lifting baby to make the transfer smooth and controlled. You bring baby up, keeping a hand on the head and neck. This protects them while you position legs into the M-shaped seat. Next, fasten one shoulder strap, then the other, and tighten them a little at a time. Alternate adjustments so the weight sits evenly across your shoulders. Make sure baby's face is visible, chin off the chest, and you can slide 1-2 fingers under the chin. This confirms an open airway. If fabric bunches, reseat baby and smooth panels. You finish by doing a quick posture check. Stand tall, keep baby high and close, and confirm knees sit above the bottom in an ergonomic seat so weight is distributed. Then test mobility, bend at the hips, squat lightly, and observe for any slipping or pressure hot spots. Make adjustments immediately. If the carrier slides or baby leans forward, stop and tighten the waist first, then shoulder straps. Reseat baby and smooth fabric. This simple troubleshooting fixes most fit problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.